You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly. There is certainly some confusion on what is the difference between those two words in pronunciation. So let's clear things up. They are not to be pronounced the same way. They don't have the same pronunciation. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned to the channel. We got tons more for you coming up. So the top word in British English is pronounced word. Indeed, it's a schwa sound. It's an sound. Word. Now, British English doesn't pronounce the R, so it's word. The Americans say it as word. Okay, word. With your tongue that goes up for the R, word. Okay, so word or word. Now, the bottom word is pronounced word. So it's an O sound. Word. Word. British English. Now, the Americans say it as word. Word. So it's not word. Word is the top word here with an O spelling word. Word. It's an sound or an O sound. Can you hear the difference? Word. Word. Sorry. Word. 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 American English. Word. Word. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.